Ariane 5 is a powerful and reliable workhorse for ESA. It launches telecommunications satellites that provide TV and internet coverage, scientific spacecraft such as the Rosetta mission, and even supplies the International Space Station through the largest space cargo vessel, the ATV. On top of this, by launching from the spaceport in French Guiana, it has ensured that Europe has its own independent access to space. Among other missions, Ariane 5 will soon launch Hubble's successor, the James Webb Space Telescope. But a combination of today's economic climate, plus increasing competition around the world, means that it's time to think about the next generation launcher, one that will keep Europe's leadership in the world's commercial satellite launch market.
We have at the moment a very strong position on that market, but the decision is under threat. If you look at the future, you look at the type of satellites that will be launched, if you look at the more and more competitors coming into the market, the very sharp pricing policy of these competitors, we have to do something that protects the European position and at the same time guarantees the access to space that we want, because that is the first priority of our ministers when they are coming together in ESA. They say we need to have access to space.
And so at the last ESA Ministerial in 2012, Member States approved a feasibility study for Ariane 6. The new launcher is now taking shape and will be revealed in Luxembourg at the next ministerial meeting in December. By using technologies from the current Ariane and Vega launchers, it is hoped to cut down manufacturing costs. This will allow Ariane 6 to be more competitively priced for today's increasingly important space market, without the need for further public financial support.
If you want to launch your satellites in the future as a space agency, you need to have a launch capability, and Ariane 6 is going to offer that.
If final approval on its development is given at the ESA Ministerial in December, Ariane 6 will enter service at Europe's spaceport at the start of the next decade. Europe will then be able to meet the flexible and streamlined demands of launcher requirements and can continue to maintain autonomous access into space.